This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Mecum Harrisburg auction. We are checking out the Todd Werner collection. This is a 1970 Challenger campaigned by Dick Landy. Of course, it is a Hemi, 426 Hemi. The Mopar muscle here is just absolutely crazy. Is insane. You've got to watch this auction. If you're watching this afterwards, make sure you pick up on it later. This is a 426 4-speed factory-backed race car, final e-body that Dick Landy drove in competition, class winner at the '74 GatorNationals. Reset the SS/D record to 10.55 at Spring Nationals. Let's see, what are the good stuff? DLI race Hemi engine, 4-speed manual, dual 4 barrels, and anything interesting? No. Then we go into all the little details. Again, it's so fascinating seeing these bone stock interiors in here. 1970, big difference between the later cars where it's just total purpose, tugged, gutted, and built. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 Mecum Harrisburg auctions, checking out the really Mopar intense Todd Werner collection. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events on your online calendar of events. I'll see you at the shows.